hadn't done me this way. Sleeping under a table in a roadside park, a man could wake up dead, but it sure seemed warmer than it did sleeping in your water bed. Is anybody going to San Antone or Phoenix, Arizona? Any place is alright as long as I forget I've never known of. Like I ain't got nothing on. Well, I'd rather fight the wind and rain than what I was fighting at home. Is anybody going to San Antone or Phoenix, Arizona? Any place is alright as long as I forget I've never known her. Well, the Yonder goes a truck with the U.S. mail for people writing letters back home. Well, tomorrow she'll probably want me back, but I'll be just as gone. Is anybody going to San Antone or Phoenix, Arizona? Any place is alright as long as I forget I've never known her. Is anybody going to San Antone or Phoenix, Arizona?